Hi, this is the continuation of Poppy After Midnight from March 30th, 2019. Now that I've gotten that off my chest about that reciprocating saw here on the floor, it's been eventful. Today I tried to use that reciprocating saw to chop an inch off the hunk of 1x1 6061. I told you I threw it on the floor because I was mad at it, so you know it wouldn't want to work for me. The $5 yard sale Black & Decker saber saw, the cheapest one they ever made. Apparently, anyway, that's what I used to cut that 1x1 6061. It was not fun. But I'll say this, that cheap Black & Decker saber saw actually held the blade, and it had the power to cut the 6061. It's easy to follow the along. Then I went in the shop and I machined for about an hour and a half. And I got the tool block, I got the tongue milled beautifully. And I changed from milling machine to lathe, going off camera. Lost that footage of cutting the tongue. But I've got the lathe footage of facing the front end of it, marking it, cutting the groove to hold the cylindrical grinding head. Yeah. Just got to drill and tap two little screws. I'm going to go 440. They don't have to hold that flexade handpiece very, they don't have to put a million tons of torque on that. I'll drill and tap those two holes off camera. When I come back into the shop, take you back in the shop, I'm going to show you what I wanted to show you for first video. Precision turning between centers. Sneaking up a nominal by a 10,000th of an inch. Gonna do that. Gonna show you some. This was a basic technique. Throw that compound over to 84 degrees off of perpendicular, or 6 degrees off of parallel to the axes between centers. The perfect angle is 84/16. I've read. Not too many compounds are graduated, so you can get that 16 minutes of angle. So everyone uses 84. You turn 10 thousandths on the compound when it's set at 84. It goes 10 thousandths approximately towards the headstock and 1,000th towards the center line of that part. Sneaking up on nominal. Anyway, I'm going to show you your basic turn between centers with some precision next time we go out in the shop. Good night.